Welcome to the Manitoba Institute of Trades and Technology. We are excited to connect with you. This is our first ever virtual open house dedicated to international students and partners, so I want to thank you so much for joining us. We value our international students at MITT, and we're proud to say that every year, more than 900 students from 70 countries choose to come to MITT to live, study, and work in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. At MITT, you will find instructors and staff who are dedicated to career-focused learning and your success. As our logo suggests, we are your bridge from classroom to career, and our approach to learning has proven effective. In our most recent alumni survey, nearly 90% of them said they were working in their field of study. We build our programs with industry, your future employers, to ensure you graduate with the technical as well as the soft skills they demand. We also surround you with the supports you need to succeed. You are never alone at MITT, and we are always here to help. This open house is your opportunity to learn about our many options and pathways, including our English Language Institute, our post-secondary certificate and diploma programs in business and information technology, healthcare, human services, and skilled trades, as well as our postgraduate programs. You will have members of our international team, fellow staff, and some of our international alumni available to you throughout this event, so please ask them lots of questions about our programs and about life in friendly Manitoba. This event is all about you. If you're not sure where to start, I'd recommend checking out our admissions roadmap, as it outlines the steps you need to take to become a student at MITT. I'm always excited to meet with students from all over the world on campus, and hopefully we will be able to connect in the future if you choose to come to study at MITT. Until that time, know that our blended learning options have been successful throughout the pandemic, and they will help you meet your education and career goals. Thank you for your interest in MITT, and enjoy our virtual open house.